What are the 5 relationships I need right now to get started in real estate? Well, number 1, you're gonna need to know wholesalers. How can I find wholesalers? Well, you can find them in my free Facebook group, Creative Finance with Pace Morby. Another relationship you're gonna need is a real estate agent that I call a unicorn agent. Where can I find unicorn agents? Again, Creative Finance with Pace Morby Facebook group. Link in the description down below. A unicorn agent is somebody who's actually working with real estate investors. They understand our real estate terms. They understand how you, as a real estate investor or an aspiring real estate investor, can make money as a real estate investor. Other real estate agents who just maybe finished real estate school have no clue how real estate investors make money. So please don't do business with them. Find the unicorn agents. There are a lot of them in our free Facebook group. Third relationship you're gonna need, probably the most important one, is a title company or a closing attorney. Why would I say title company or closing attorney? Well, if you're in Atlanta, Georgia, we don't use title companies in Atlanta, Georgia. We use closing attorneys. Same thing with South Carolina, North Carolina, sometimes Texas, sometimes California. It depends on what state you're in. So Google that. Type in, is my state a title state or a closing attorney state? And Google magically will just tell you. In Arizona, we're a title company. So I use Fidelity National Title. We use Fidelity National Title, I have for many years, and the beautiful thing about Fidelity National Title is they're nationwide. They're the largest, they're the biggest. And not only that, but they do creative finance transactions, wholesale transactions, double close transactions, gator transactions. So if I were you, I would look for my Fidelity office near you. Fifth relationship is the 5th one for a reason. It's actually the scariest one that you need. A lot of people are afraid of this because when I say these words, a lot of people go, ooh, that's gonna cost me money. You need a real estate attorney. You need somebody that you can call if you get into a transaction and a seller stops communicating or a buyer does something to you. Guess what? It's gonna happen. When we're talking about making millions of dollars in real estate, you will have bad things happen to you. I promise you. If you do 100 deals in real estate, you better plan on calling a real estate attorney on one of those, at least. So for us, I have a personal relationship with my attorney. His name is Sean St. Clair. You'll see him in our free Facebook group, Creative Finance with Pace Morby. But you need these 5 relationships. You can find most of them, if not all of them, except for Fidelity. You gotta call Fidelity in your local area. You can find all the other 4 in the free Facebook group. Now, what's gonna happen? You're gonna jump into that group. You're gonna jump into the Elephant Challenge. You're gonna come see me on Get Creative on Mondays at 7 p.m. You're gonna be in our whole entire ecosphere. You're gonna find people that you're doing deals with, and you might go, wait a minute. Why haven't I done a deal with Pace? I wanna do a deal with Pace. I see Pace on the YouTube channel doing deals with his students all the time. Well, click on the video right here and I'll show you how you can do deals with me.